Flags have been used for thousands of years as a symbol of identity, pride, and power. They have evolved over time, reflecting changes in culture, technology, and politics. Today, flags are representing countries, organizations, and causes around the world. But how did they came to be? Let's take a journey toward the history of flags. The earliest known flags date back to ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. Around 3000 BCE, these were simple banners, usually made of animal skins, displaying symbols and motifs that represented the tribe or ruler they belonged to. The ancient Greeks also used flags called vexilloids to identify their city-states and military units. These were rectangular banners, often with geometric designs or animal emblems. In the Middle Ages, flags took on more ceremonial and symbolic role, especially in Europe. Knights and nobles displayed their coat of arms on banners and pennants. During tournaments and battles, the national flags we know today began to emerge in the late Middle Ages when countries like England, France, and Spain adopted distinctive designs for their naval fleets. Flags played an important role in colonial expansion and the rise of empires. European powers and flags to claim territories, mark their presence and establish authority over local populations. The Union Jack, for example, was flown over many British colonies, including India, Australia, and Canada. Flags have also been used to rally troops and inspire patriotism during wars and conflicts. Soldiers carried flags into battles, often adorned with slogans, symbols, and colors that represented their cause. The American flag, with its stars and stripes, became a powerful symbol of national identity and unity during the Revolutionary War and Civil War. In the modern era, flags have taken on a wider range of meanings and uses. They are used in political movements, sport events, cultural festivals, and more. Flags can represent a nation, a culture, a language, a religion, or a cause. They can inspire pride, unity, and loyalty, but they can also provoke conflict and controversy. From ancient banners to modern standards, flags have been an enduring and evolving symbol of human identity and expression. As we continue to navigate the complexities of a globalized world, flags will undoubtedly play an important role in shaping our collective future. Thanks for watching this video.